The diffusion of socio-environmental innovation model in the Rinders network based on CAS approach. The diffusion in the Rinders network is the process by which socio-environmental innovation is communicated through certain channels, meetings, internet, etc., over time among rural producers and their organizations, governmental institutions and academic institutions. In this case, when new answers to complex problems regarding sustainable rural development emerge from the interactions between rural producers and governmental and academic institutions and these are diffused and adopted or rejected by rural producers, some alterations occur at functional and structural level of the Rinders network, originating a social change due to the activation of peer networks about such socio-environmental innovation in the next four areas: transformation of primary, agricultural and livestock production, rural industry and marketing, rural non-agricultural services and handicrafts, and rural extension. Following Ref, we present the 5 attributes of socio-environmental innovations of the Rinders network as follows. Relative advantage. The degree to which rural producers perceive the socio-environmental innovation as being better than the practice it supersedes. The exchange of innovation evaluation information between rural producers of the Rinders network, using the communication network, lies the diffusion process. Compatibility. The degree to which the socio-environmental innovation is perceived by rural producers as consistent with the existing socio-cultural values, past experiences and specific needs of potential adopters. Complexity. The degree to which rural producers perceive the socio-environmental innovation is relatively difficult to understand and use. Trialability. The degree to which the socio-environmental innovation may be experimented with on a limited basis. Observability. The degree to which the results of the socio-environmental innovation are visible to other rural producers. In summary, socio-environmental innovations of the Rinders network that are perceived as relatively advantageous, compatible with existing socio-cultural values, beliefs and experiences, relatively easy to adapt, observable and divisible for trial, will be adopted more rapidly by rural producers. As discussed by Bass, in the literature, 2 models for how innovations diffuse through social systems are recognized, endogenous and exogenous. On the one hand, in the endogenous diffusion model, how fast an innovation spreads is a function of its own popularity between the members of the social system. Following Ref, in this case the proportion of the social system that has adopted the innovation over time starts out slow, slowly builds to a critical mass, where it achieves exponential growth, and finally levels off as it saturates the social system. The model, as seen in, is a bell-shaped curve that shows the data about the general endogenous diffusion process on a frequency basis, whereas the S-shaped curve shows the same data on a cumulative basis. On the other hand, in the exogenous diffusion model, potential adopters respond directly to exogenous effects. The endogenous diffusion model of an innovation over time by members of a social system, adopted from Ref. From the CAS perspective, both variety and reactivity are necessary for the diffusion of an innovation. Variety refers to the diverse population for emergence and adaptation and it is necessary for information exchange that takes place between an innovation sender and an innovation receiver, whereas reactivity refers to the sensitivity to change where only those populations with adaptability to change can survive at the higher fitness thresholds that occur during cascading mutation/extinction. The information exchange between an innovation sender and an innovation receiver is a critical process in the diffusion of socio-environmental innovation in the Rinders network. It means that more information about best practices and new technology corresponds to less uncertainty on rural producer perceptions about relative advantage, compatibility and complexity of innovations, creating better conditions to the emergence and adaptation. The diffusion of socio-environmental innovation model in the Rinders network based on CAS approach contains the following 4 elements, c. The NetLogo grid based on 4 different values for MaxPSCR and MaxSpeaker, a. MaxPSCR equals MaxSpeaker equals 16 with a total of 256 patches, b. MaxPSCR equals MaxSpeaker equals 30 with a total of 900 patches, c. MaxPSCR equals MaxSpeaker equals 50 with a total of 2,500 and, d. MaxPSCR equals MaxSpeaker equals 100 with a total of 10,000 patches. Heterogeneous agents. Small rural producers and their organizations, governmental institutions, academic institutions and the knowledge society. The agents, AG, have two attributes: the number of neighbors having already adopted the socio-environmental innovations, N, and a random threshold for adoption, RT, with a normal distribution in 100,25 to satisfy the heterogeneity condition. The base model allows evaluating the evolution of both endogenous and exogenous diffusion as follows. WERF describes the proportion of potential adopters having already adopted the innovation, coefficient refers to the exogenous effect, and Qth coefficient indicates the endogenous effect at time t. The endogenous diffusion model is a special case of 1, when p equals 0. Additionally, one mechanism assumed by endogenous diffusion models is contagion, whereby those who have adopted the innovation directly promote the innovation to those with whom they are in contact. In this study, we use a variant of endogenous diffusion model based on threshold called information cascade, whereby the number of prior adoptions is a source of credible information. The importance of threshold models is the aggregation of popularity. Rules of interaction. Agents interact with their neighbors and the decision for adopting socio-environmental innovations depends if value is less than a nonlinear function evaluated in terms of the number of adopters, NA, the endogenous effect, E, and the social cohesion between agents, SC, whose range can be dynamically updated to revise the RT of an agent, as follows. A connectivity network. The network is built generating each agent from 0 to 4500. Once an agent is created, old agent, a new referred position is searched for 5 neighbors, to create the new agent. Agents interchange information indicating the number of their own neighbors having already adopted the socio-environmental innovations, prior adoptions.